Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you step by step how to contact Valorant support through Riot Games' official website. First, open your browser and go to riotgames.com. This is the parent company of Valorant. At the top right, you'll see a login button. So yeah, make sure you're signed in with your Riot account before moving forward. Next, scroll down to the bottom of the Riot Games website. You'll find a link that says Player Support. Click that and it'll open the official Riot support portal in a new tab. Once you're on the support page, scroll a little and choose Valorant from the list of Riot games. That will take you to the dedicated support section for Valorant. Now, look for the Submit a Ticket button. Click it and you'll see a form where you can send your request. From here, choose your request type. Like, if you're locked out of your account, you'd pick Account Recovery. After that, just fill in all the details, your email address, your region, the platform you're on, and describe your issue as clearly as you can. You can even add screenshots or files if you need to. Once you've done all that, hit submit. And that's it. Your request goes straight to Riot's support team and they'll reply back to you by email. Hopefully this helps you fix whatever issue you're facing in Valorant. If you found this useful, go ahead and drop a like and don't forget to subscribe for more quick tutorials.